everything to be an underground king. I sacrifice everything to be an underground king.
What it do, kings and queens? It's your boy, the UP King, the people's champ, back with another quick video. And listen, you know I'm always trying to save you some money. Always trying to save you some money, and you can still get the job done. So today's no different. Now today we are talking about the DA with an interface pad. And what you can do, let's say you're getting ready to be down to your final sanding, like I'm here doing right now on this motorcycle tank. Now, I wanted some 320 to block it down, but I didn't have any hook. As you can see, I got an interface pad, which is a hooky. But I got an old piece of hooky sandpaper, but it's been flattened out, been used and abused. So I just take my 320, stick it on top of the 240 piece, and I'm good to go. So if you don't have the sandpaper that you need to go with the interface pad, you can always use some stick it sandpaper. Grab your fresh piece. Lay that thing on top of there like that, and you're good to go. And you're right back to work, and you don't even have to worry about spending no money just for some hook-it sheets when you can still use your stick-it sheets. Listen, man, I'm always trying to save y'all some money, always. And you can still get the job done. Listen, just make it happen. So listen, you get down and you ready for that final sand and you ain't got that sandpaper, listen, you can still make it happen. If it got late on you and you thinking you gotta wait till you get to the paint supply store the next day, no, you don't have to stop. Just make it happen, man. Switch it out. Get you a hooky sheet, put your sticky sheet on top of that. Get on that interface and get to work, man. Get busy, man. Let's get these projects done, man. We got a lot of work to do, man. Let's get to it. So that's my quick tip for you guys and gals to get out there and get that work done. Let's go.
Everything to be an underground king.